Why Atomy? Why is Atomy a reliable business partner? Because Atomy creates a generational stable income. Atomy is a systematic business that earns stable income through an established system that is reachable globally. And Atomy's competitive advantage, it is a reliable company and it has competitive products, the absolute quality and absolute price products of Atomy. So, in times of sudden crisis or rapid change in society, we should adopt a system that can generate steady and stable income. So nowadays, the fear is we are having a lot of, social media platforms. We are having a lot of new advanced technologies, for example, like Chat GPT. We are having uncertain economic environment, uncertain retirement years, and so on. So, which means that every year, when the world or when the innovation is getting higher, it means that in the future, a lot of people will be having no job because it will be replaced by these automatic platforms, right? So, maybe let's say in the next 10 years, some accountants, just an example, accountants will not have a job because everything will be automated and you can just do it by yourself just by filling in some numbers, right? And it's actually happening right now. What else? In convenience store, the cashiers later on will probably not have a job anymore because everything we can do by ourselves and we can just order online. It will be delivered into our house. And I believe it's in Dubai or in the Arab countries when they order online, it is not a person who delivers in their house, but it is being delivered through a small how do you say, small drone, right? And that is the future. And it can happen everywhere in the world. And a lot of people will have no job in the future. So that is the reason why it is very important for us to have as early as now a business that could sustain us for a lifetime until your next generation. And which other company in the world could give you something like what is Atomy is giving to us through sharing our own experience about the products. Now, I would like to show you the top 10 ranked among top 10 worldwide in network marketing companies. So Amway is the first, and of course Natura & Co, Herbalife, Expo, Coe, Primerica, Nu Skin, and Atomy is number 10. So Atomy is not even in the market for 50 years, but still we managed to be able to be on the top 10. And other companies here, they are already in the market for 20 years, 30 years, and so on, right? But Atomy, as you can see, the growth of the company is going steady, going higher, and it's opening more and more global market. So Atomy is a network marketing company. So we have a distribution structure of a direct sales business. So from the supplier, it goes directly to consumers. So we cut the wholesaler, we cut the retailer. So if these two are cut, the wholesaler and the retailer, what happens to the price? So the price will become way, way, way less so that the consumers, whatever your stand in the society is, either you are in the lower class society, middle class society, or higher class society, you will be able to access a product that has a very good price and yet also gives you a very good quality, right? So platform business. Atomy is a leader in the platform business. But what is a platform business? A business model where revenue is generated within an online or offline platform that connects and engage users. So Atomy is a platform business. Other platform business examples are Amazon, Naver, YouTube, Facebook, Kakao, Gmarket, Google, and so on. Now, Atomy is a system-based business. So as you can see here, even when I'm asleep, my revenue keeps flowing. My revenue keeps flowing. In traditional businesses, for example, what are the common problems that we have to face? So, first is we have to face paying our rental income. With or without income in a traditional company, we have to pay the rent because we have we have signed a contract, for example. Um, we also have um sorry, the I mean, system base is the rental income. It means here that when you realty business, like when you rent an apartment, then while there is someone who's renting your apartment, then it will be paid automatically. Then we also have the royalties from copyright, music, books, etc, but not everyone can make music, right? And bank interest income. Not everyone is knowledgeable with bank interests. And income from advertising on vlogs and YouTube, which is now becoming popular. Plus the network marketing or multi-level marketing companies like Atomy. So even when we sleep, as long as our business is established, it grows and grows because people consume the product. If toothpaste is already finished, the people will just buy from the system and we will be earning the points that will eventually become our commission. Now, Atomy is also a company dedicated to customer success. Customer success is Atomy's goal and fundamental principle. When customers succeed, Atomy also succeeds. Customer success is achieved through the best products. The best products equals to customer success equals to Atomy's success. Now, this is our president, Chairman Park Han-gil, a president who earned respect through honest management. He has founded Atomy in South Korea last 2009. And in such a short period of time, Atomy has established the overseas branches offices in 27 regions. So in normally in yeah, in all the continents of the world. And Atomy is continuously building or opening branches. Now they are more focused on um, UAE as well as Africa. So imagine the possibility and the opportunity for us to be able to generate income until the next generation because our market is unstoppable. So as I can see here, just looking at the global regions, I could say that the business of Atomy, the sky is only the limit because you have lots of potential clients. It really just depends on us on how eager are we to do the Atomy business, right? Now, Atomy also is growing alongside its global members, and as of this time, we already have over 15 million members worldwide. And the revenue of Atomy as of 2021 is 2.2 billion won, and it's continuously growing and growing every day and every year. You can trust and use Atomy's absolute quality and absolute price. As I've said a while ago, everyone can have the opportunity to use and try the products of Atomy, no matter which category of the society we may be. And we have, as you see, as we all know, we have different types of product, whether it's health supplements, beauty products, hair and body, home products, appliances, home products, and fashion. So everything that you see on the supermarket, we have it in Atomy. And Atomy is also a global distributor of mastige products. So this is the GSGS strategy, which means global sourcing, global sales. So Atomy's international subsidiaries go beyond simply selling Korean products. So Atomy is also getting some products from other countries which they are known as the best products from this country to deliver to its global market. So say for example, the avocado oil, by the way, it's also coming to Europe. This one is from Mexico. I Atomy vitamin B complex comes from the USA. The bubble color comes from Taiwan, so on and so forth. So Mastic products achieved thanks to absolute quality and absolute price. We already know that. And now we have the compensation plan that is fair and balanced. We have a binary system. We are already know also from the word itself by meaning two lines. We only have left and right leg. We have unlimited levels of accumulation. We can register as much as people we know, and we have a unique global market system. So even though we are situated in Belgium or in Europe, we can have partners from Canada, Cambodia, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Thailand, and so on. Um, and compensation limit to guarantee fair income. So all of us, we will come up to a ceiling wherein we have to stop from there. So Atomy ensures that the fair distribution of our income is equal for everyone. So, why is Atomy very good when you are going to start your business? First is there is no registration fee or starter package. Atomy will not let you buy a huge amount of product just for you to register, and no automatic reordering. Actually, I have an experience with this in the Philippines. When I was there, I was approached to buy a product, and she took my credit card number, and every month, like, I receive some products, and yes, this amount is being deducted onto my credit card. And there's also no distribution store required because our distribution is available online 24/7 around the world for our global market. No annual sales and no quota required. Plus, our ID, once we die, it can be inherited up to the third generation. So, meaning up to our grandchildren. So, imagine if we already are earning like 15,000 euros a month. And of course, we will be older. We will go out on this world. We are sure before we die that our family will not suffer from poverty because we already have created a business that could sustain their lifestyle. Now, what are the main sources of income in Atomy? First is we have general commission, which is calculated daily and issued every week. So every Tuesday, we are getting paid the general commission. We have the mastership promotion, which is calculated and issued every 15 days. So we are paid the mastership bonus bi-monthly. We also have the bonus for mastership issued once per promotion. So this is a one-time gift or one-time bonus if you achieve your mastership for the first time. We also have the commission for education center that is also issued every 15 days. So this is the basis of our commission. We have the PV or point value. PV stands for point value. So all of our products, it has a point value. For example, if we purchase Himuhim, we have 73,000 points. If we purchase Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, we have 115,000 points. And if we purchase Atomy Toothpaste 200 grams, we have 4,000 points. So that is PV. Now, I'm going to talk about the general commission or our daily pay, which is calculated on a daily basis and issued weekly. Okay? So, our general commission is depending also on our personal points, but I will be explaining that thoroughly when we have our one-on-one meeting regarding the mastership. Regarding the compensation plan. So this is an example of the graph of our general commission. If our personal points is 300,000, our left side is 300,000 points, right side accumulates 300,000 points, our approximate earning per day is 45 euro. Okay, 45 euro or grade 7. If our personal points is 700,000 points, left leg 700,000, right leg 700,000, then we will be receiving a general commission of 90 euros from Atomy. So basically, the least that we can have as a general commission is 15 euros, but our earnings can also go up to 900 euros per day. So I don't want to give, false hope to us. Before we could get to the 900 euro, we really have to work hard and grow our market steadily. Okay? And talking about the mastership commission, so as I've said, this is calculated and issued every 15 days. So say for example here, we have two periods, 1 to 15 of the month and 16th up to the end of the month. Say for example, we would like to become a diamond master on November 1 to 15. In 15 days, we have to have 1.5 million personal points, two sales master onto our left, two sales master onto our right. So as you can see, these are the requirements. If we achieved sales master two times in a month, so the two cycles, our approximate income per month is 1,500 euros, which is not bad, right? Especially in Romania, Loredana, I believe that this is really huge. If you can let me know, Loredana, 1,500 euro in Romania, is it already like 3 months salary of a local, worker in Romania?
It's like double the minimum and the net one, and like one and a half month for like a medium salary.
For a
So it's
medium.
it's huge.
Yes. Thank you very much, Loredana. So you see, just by sharing our experience to others, by using our own Atomy products, we could actually generate an income of 1,500 euros per month. And if we are also achieving our Diamond Master two times in a month, our approximate income is 4,500 euros. So you see, just a little more effort from us, just a little more use the product from us, share our experience to others, we would definitely arrive to this kind of, income from Atomy, right? And the highest amount of mastership commission that we could get every month is 90,000 euros per month. If you would ask me, is really someone earning 90,000 euros? Yes. Yes, a lot of Atomy leaders are already earning 90,000 euros. I would love to earn 90,000 euros per month also, and I believe you also would like to have 90,000 euros, right? So here are the rank requirements and as monthly income as I've showed a while ago. Sales master, we have to have a personal points of 700,000, 2.5 million on the left, 2.5 million on the right. Diamond master, 1.5 million personal points. Two sales master on the left, two sales master on the right, so on and so forth. Okay, and of course the Imperial Master, this is our ultimate goal. Personal points of 2.4 million points. Plus two Crown Master on the left, two Crown Master on the right. Our income will be 90,000 euros per month. I hope tomorrow we could already earn that, right? But it requires a lot of effort and a lot of push to ourselves. Yes, I would love to have this and I will really work harder to achieve this kind of income so I could secure my family in the future. Now, as I've told you a while ago, if you achieve your mastership for the first time, on top of the money that we will be receiving as a mastership commission, we also have a mastership bonus. So, for example, if we achieve our sales master for the first time, we have one bonus evening care set, which is 37 euros. And we also have Absolute Cell Active Skincare set, which is 195 euros. Diamond Master, we have evening care set plus additional 750 euros. Sharon Rose Master, 1,650 euros in cash plus two tickets for 3 nights and 4 days. So, Atomy Europe recently went to Gran Canaria to celebrate the Sharon Rose Master and Star Masters. Then, the ultimate goal again, of course, is the Imperial Master. We will be having a one-time cash bonus of 740,000 euros. We can already buy one villa and one apartment here in Belgium. We also have 7,000 euro sponsorship activities because our market is really huge and we have to support, the development and growth of our market. And we have a car, a brand new car, luxury car, a driver, and an office, plus promotional tour, 4 tickets for 10 nights and 11 days. Personally, of course, I would love to be an imperial master, but my priority right now is how could we help each other to achieve the auto sales master per month. So that is the ultimate goal. And if you become ah an imperial master, Chairman Park himself will give you the 740,000 euros and you will be invited by Atomy Korea to receive your award. And for education center, I am really longing to have more and more education centers. You will be surprised in our group, there will be another education center, who knows, probably next year. I will not say who and where. It's for you to wait for the announcement, okay? So our education center, we are paid 6% commission on all sales of the people who are subscribed to our education center. So 6%, we use it for educational activities of Atomy, product presentations, open days, business seminars, and so on. So, Atomy success system, why is Atomy going to work for you and me? Because Atomy has a free success system. If you want to learn more about Atomy, just attend Success Academies, where we celebrate our success. We also have one-day seminars, global seminars, online seminars, and center meeting like what we are doing now. So this is a center meeting. And Atomy will continue to uphold its commitment to honest management guided by the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. In this time of uncertainty, ensure your success with Atomy platform.